UTVs have come a long way over the years. Back in 1988, Kawasaki introduced the Mule, the first ever UTV, which combined elements of an ATV with a four-wheel enclosed vehicle. The Can-Am X3 has in many ways redefined what's possible in a UTV platform. They're incredibly fast and have tremendous off-road capability. In addition to that, there's massive aftermarket support that allow these UTVs to be even more capable in off-road and racing. Recently, we got our hands on a 2017 Can-Am X3 to build for Braven Tires. Braven Tires was born out of decades of off-road racing experience in Baja, Ultra 4, and UTV racing. The goal of Braven Tires was to build a tire that's incredibly durable, extremely lightweight, and have incredible traction on a variety of terrains. Our goal is to build them a vehicle that showcases the incredible durability and performance of these tires.
So Kenny and I, over the years, he comes up with these really cool designs, and I always say, let's go for it. Whatever tires you need, let's do it. And over the years, he's done the Tomahawk, he's done the Tanker, the Wrecker as well, just to have such a unique vehicle that could go out and tow other people. So building the Wrecker was all about advertising, about doing something wow and unique and different, but also having something that's not only cool, promotes off-roading, but can actually help people. But I just love Kenny, and I love what he was doing. So we started promoting his vehicles in all of our ads. And that's how we basically combined efforts, and it's worked out very well.
Good to see you. How's it going? Yeah, Fred. Going good. Yeah.
So what's really wonderful about this build, and what I'm most excited about, is we're pushing back the blue. So we remind people that, you know what? Go thank these people. They really deserve a hug, and they deserve a thanks.
Braven Tires is a big proponent of law enforcement. So one of the things that meant a lot to them is that their Back the Blue theme was included in this build.
So Kenny and I are really excited about this project. We can't wait till everyone sees it. We can't wait to unveil it. We hope everyone out there loves it as much as we do, and happy trails.
Most of the UTVs on the market are covered with plastic body panels. For this project, we'd like to get rid of that as much as possible and make it look like something different. Today, we're going to bring that Can-Am into the shop, get it all stripped down and ready to build. We plan on racing this vehicle in the Red Bull Mountain Scramble, so we have to make sure that it's up to race standards. So the first thing we're going to do is remove all of the factory plastic body panels and prepare for the brand new roll cage.